Welcome back to English with Wolfizzle. I am Professor Wolfizzle, and I am here with my wonderful friend Sara. Grab a coffee, settle in, and get ready. How are you today, Sara?
I am doing great, Professor, but I have to admit I am a little bit nervous. We are tackling 50 phrasal verbs today. That is a big challenge.
It is a challenge, but you are ready. And to our listeners, don't worry about memorizing everything right now. Just listen to the story, relax, and let the sounds sink in. Sara, shall we start with the morning?
Let's do it. My alarm clock goes off at 6 a.m. I really don't want to wake up. I hit snooze 3 times. Finally, I have to get up at 6:30.
The snooze button is our worst enemy, right? So wake up and get up. That is our first pair. And then you head to the bathroom to wash up?
Exactly. I wash up, then I turn off the annoying alarm. After that, I have to put on my sweater because it is cold. I like to dress up a little bit, even if I am just working from home. It makes me feel ready.
That is a great habit. It makes you feel productive. Do you ever head out to the store early in the morning?
Sometimes, but I always have to be careful not to run out of time. If I take too long, I have to take off my sweater and change quickly. But I try not to give up on my morning plan.
That is a fantastic start. Listeners, did you hear that? Wake up, get up, wash up, turn off, put on, head out, run out, take off, dress up, and give up. That is 10 verbs. Sara, can I ask a quick question?
Of course, Professor.
Why did you say put on my sweater instead of wear my sweater?
Oh, good question. Wear is the state, like I am wearing a sweater right now. But put on is the action, the moment I move it onto my body.
Perfect explanation. See, listeners, that is how you learn. Now, let's talk about work. I know you are very busy. How do you get through your long list of emails?
I write down everything I need to do. Then I look over my notes. It takes me a few minutes to set up my computer and my desk. Once I am ready, I just carry on with my work.
Do you have to show up to meetings often?
Yes, and if the project is hard, we break down the problem into small pieces. It helps us work out a solution much faster. Eventually, we find out the answer. Then I can finally get on with my other projects.
That is excellent office English. Get through, write down, look over, set up, carry on, show up, break down, work out, find out, and get on with. We are at 20. Sara, do you find work stressful?
Sometimes, but I try to stay calm. I focus on the solution, not the stress.
That is a very good skill to have. Now, let's talk about your social life. What do you like to do after work?
I love to hang out with my best friends. We like to catch up on everything we missed during the week. Sometimes a friend will turn up at my door without calling.
That is a surprise. Do they drop by often?
They come over at least once a week. We bring up old memories from when we were kids. It is funny to think how we used to grow up together in the same neighborhood.
That is so sweet. Do you look forward to those evenings?
Oh, yes. We get along so well. We usually go out for a movie or just sit on the balcony and talk.
30 verbs. Hang out, catch up, turn up, drop by, come over, bring up, look forward to, grow up, get along, and go out. You are doing great, Sara. And listeners, don't forget to repeat these words in your head.
I feel like I'm finally understanding how to use these naturally. Can we take a quick break, Professor?
Of course. Let's pause for a second. Listeners, how are you feeling? If you need a break, pause the audio, stretch, and come back. This is how you learn. Sara, are you ready for the house chores?
Ready as I will ever be. House chores are not fun, but they must be done.
How do you clean up?
I throw away the trash first. Then I put away all the clean dishes. I always make sure to look after my cat while I'm doing it. She gets so excited.
That sounds like a busy evening. Do you ever have to hold on while you are cleaning?
Yes, if the phone rings, I say, hold on. And later, I check out some videos online to relax. Sometimes I pass out on the sofa because I am so tired.
That happens to all of us. Do you figure out your schedule for the next day before you sleep?
I try, but sometimes I mix up the days on my calendar. I have to make up my mind to be more organized.
Flirty. Clean up, throw away, put away, look after, hold on, check out, pass out, figure out, mix up, and make up. You are a phrasal verb master now, Sara.
I can't believe we are at 40. 10 more. Let's finish strong with some general life actions. What do you do if you miss a call?
I always call back as soon as I can.
Good. And if you are stressed, how do you calm down?
I take a deep breath. Then I get back to my work. I never want to show off or brag about my work.
That is a humble way to live. Do you ever fall behind on your goals?
Sometimes, but I just move on. I don't want to let down the people who rely on me.
That is a great mindset. If we keep practicing, our English skills will surely take off.
I know they will. Just wake up every day and try. If you do that, you will go on to be a fluent speaker.
50. That is 50 phrasal verbs. Call back, calm down, get back, show off, fall behind, move on, let down, take off, wake up, and go on.
You did it, Sara. And listeners, you did it too. How do you feel?
I feel fantastic. I feel like these words are not just a list anymore. They are part of my story.
That is exactly the point. Don't study the list. Live the story. Listeners, your homework is simple. Pick 5 of these verbs. Write a sentence for each one in the comments below.
I will be reading your comments and replying to as many as I can.
Yes, let's learn together. Thank you for listening today. You are doing a great job.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing and don't give up.
See you next time. This is Professor Wolfizzle and Sara signing off. Bye-bye.